Hey guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys today pretty much how to participate in a pool via Primablock. So when you first click on the contribution link, which is right here in this case, it's going to ask you to enter your wallet address. Now we recommend using myetherwallet.com, so if you don't know how to set up a wallet with them, you can definitely look up on YouTube, try to find a video to help you set up a wallet. Once you have your wallet set up, you are going to have an address right here. Now this is the wallet address that you're going to want to enter on Primablock. So you're going to go ahead and copy that and paste it into Primablock. Then you're going to submit it. Now I've already submitted it before, but normally you would see a disclaimer. You're just going to click agree and it's going to bring you to this page. Now this is an open pool that is currently running, and the way we can see that is in status. It'll say open right here. As you can see, I currently have 0 ETH contributed. And the total pool value right now is 1 Ether. The max allocation that the pool will go to is 50. The minimum that I can contribute is 0.1 and the maximum is 15. Now that's just some quick info that you can see right off the bat by looking at the pool. If you do want to go ahead and participate, it's very easy. Basically, you're just going to hit contribute Ether right here. And now this is going to bring you basically to how much you want to contribute. So in this case, just to make it easy, we're going to put 1, and that's going to be 1 ETH. We'll submit that. Now, this is where it gets important and you want to pay close attention. Basically, what it's going to give you is it's going to give you an address to send it to, an amount to send, a gas limit, and some data. And basically, on my Ether wallet, you put this in the advanced data section. So the easiest way to ensure that you're not going to run into any issues is to click the My Ether Wallet pre-filled form right here. And this is what I always do because it avoids all the copy and pasting and double checking. Now you should always double check. However, this is the best way to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. As you can see, it opens up a My Ether Wallet tab and we are going to have to access the wallet. So to do that, you can access it through your key store file, your private key, whatever. In my case, I'm going to use my key store file, so I'm going to find that real quick. Here it is. And then it's going to ask you for your password and unlock. So once it brings you into your wallet, you will see it has already pre-filled the to address, the amount that you're sending, gas limit, and data. Already done. In my case, I currently have 0 ETH in this account, so it won't actually go through. But just to show you how it would actually work, you would generate transaction, send, and then you would say, yes, I'm sure. Now, one thing to note is you do have to have an extra amount of ETH in your account to cover the cost of gas. In this case, I would have to have 1.01 because the max transaction fee is 0.01. So I would have to have 1.01 ETH in my account to have a successful send, and then you just say yes. In my case, it says insufficient funds. However, if you do have the funds in your account, then you're good to go. So yeah, that was just a quick little tutorial on how to contribute to any pool using Primablock. I hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time.